Hi, my name is Akanje. I am a professional classical pianist and piano teacher. In this video, we are going to talk about sight reading. Sight reading is a really painful task for beginners and intermediate piano students. Moreover, the moment you start to learn new pieces, you start with the sight reading. You just can't avoid of sight reading if you want to make a good progress of piano playing. When I was a piano student, I found it difficult to improve my sight reading. To improve sight reading, it takes time, knowledge, experience, and after becoming a piano teacher with my piano performance background, I created my own method of sight reading. And I have to say, sight reading is a system of how to sight read that can be trained. In my method, we have 3 systems of how to sight read. For the examples, I'm going to use Sonata Opus 36 number 1 by Clementi. So now let's move to my system of sight reading. System number 1 consists with the 3 steps. Step number 1. Scan the first page with your eyes and divide each line into the numbers. So the first page we have a first line, second line, third line, and the fourth line. Steps number 2. Highlight any accidental sharps or flats. Do we see the first line that we have a sharps? No. Second line, we have a sharps? Yes. On the second line F sharp, then on my left hand F sharp. Oh, I have a F sharp here. The third line again we have a F sharp, then F sharp again, and the fourth line we have a 1 F sharp. So on the first page, we accidentally note it's only F sharps. That's all. So let's move to steps number 3. We need to find repeating notes. Do we have a repeating notes on the first bar? Yes, we have a GG repeating notes. Here we don't have. Again, second line we have a repeating notes. Then we have on our right hand repeating notes AA. Then CC, then we have here, no, fourth line we don't have. That's it. So now we are moving to the system number 2. It's a music line. What I mean, this is exactly what makes you to read notes faster. We have 4 types of melodical lines. Scales melody line, when your notes are played sequentially without any gaps between them. So, do we have a scales line? Yes, we have on the first line, we have a scales line. So let's draw the scales line with the yellow line, yellow color, sorry. From the F, from the D here, oh, on the left hand also. Here do we have? No, second line we don't have. Oh no, we have on the last bar on the second line. So here we have a second bar on the third line. Here we have on the fourth line, we have a bars first. Here's scales line and scales line. Number 2, we have a space melody line. Like arpeggios, a space melody line consists of note with only 1 gap between each previous note and the next. So let's draw the space line with the blue color. So let's draw with the blue color. So we have a space from the CEC. We have a CEC. Here CEC, EGE, CEC. Oh, here we have space, 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 space. Good. Then here, oh, we have also space from here. Here also the space, like arpeggio. Actually, I forgot here we also have a scales line from the C. So the next one we have an intervals line. Intervals line, which is mean that the perfect starting from the perfect 4, then octave till the octave. So do we see here? Let's draw the interval line with the green color. So we have here GG, Then we have here AA octaves, CC octaves. The left hand actually it's repeating notes, C, 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 then again octave, then again octave. Here C, C octave, D, D octave. Okay, now we have to move the system number 3. The system number 3, it's about already reading. So we are reading horizontally and we are reading vertically. The moment when you read the horizontally, you have to highlight it with your eyes, the highest note in the first line and the lowest note on the first line. So let's draw with the purple color. So we have highest note G and we have a lowest note G on the first line. Highest note on the second line we have again note G, and the lowest note we have F sharp. Alright, so let's move to the practical things. So vertical I see that I am playing C, C note, C. Then I'm going to the space melody, intervals, lowest note as I said G. This is really works very fast, right? C, C, again up, space, jump to the first, and octave. Wow, that works really fast. From the F, I'm going down, step, space line. Then from the B, which is so near to each other. Now from the D, going down. G, from the G going down, which is the space line. Scales line. Then again. Then here we have C and the E together. Space, 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 space. Here G going up. Scales line. Then from the F sharp we have note A and the A. My playing the octave, here the intervals. Then again G, left hand G, right hand B, starting from the B till the B note is the scales line. Then here C, here note A. Arpeggio, space line. From the C going down, space, scales, scales again, arpeggios, up and then back, horizontally and vertically. As I said that just now we did systematical work, system of sight reading. If you follow my structure, trust me, you will do it very good and fast progress of your sight reading. And I have to say, sight reading works best when you already know the notes well and can easily find them on the keyboard. It takes time and practice to improve your sight reading skills, but it's worth it. The method I share with you can helpful. Remember to practice smartly in your piano progress. Imagine that you go to the library and you don't know the alphabet how to read. There is no point to go to the library. The same thing in music. If you really want to play the piano, remember that you still have to improve your sight reading. Sight reading, it gives you more freedom, and hope my method will help for any piano students. And if you like my video, please share with your friends and leave some comments. See you, bye.